Let me show you how I made this crochet bottle and phone holder so you can make one yourself. I started off by making 8 single crochets into a magic ring. Next, I began increasing the first row into every stitch, the second row into every second stitch, and so on. When the circle was big enough for the bottom of the bottle, now I made 1 row with single crochets, no increase, only into the back loop of every stitch. Then I continued doing single crochets around and around. Once it was the size that I wanted for the bottle, now I began making a very long chain for the strap. When it was long enough, I connected it to the other side with a slip stitch, and then made single crochets all the way back the whole chain. Back on the first side, I made a slip stitch and closed off the yarn. Now for the phone pocket, I began by making a chain that was a bit wider than my phone. Then made single crochets back and forth to create a rectangle. Leaving a long tail, I closed it off. And then began sewing it onto the bottle holder. Then just hiding all the tails. And that's it, it was all completed. Everything fit perfectly and very neat and nice and practical. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best!